Hey, welcome back to my another video. Right now I am making this video kept in my mobile phone laying with the tree. It's the jackfruit tree, so my hand is no mobile phones and my making this video very important place and environment looks like very beautiful for this times. I'm making this video. Oh, beginning of this video I was a little bit silent. Why I was? Due to some important things. I was I just shocked you. I wanted to shock you. Like I was silent. I am in silent in this video, but I started speaking for my audience because my target to teach you English and how to speak in English fluently better than me. Every video I try to help you to practice more and whatever you're something like that. Oh, it's afternoon time. No people in here. This is a home states, but only with my mobile phone. Without it, I am alone here. But it is my one of the friend of recent times, and it will be in the future also. So come to the main topic of this video. The video topic: I'm in silent. So am I in silent? So what will I say? Should be silent? No, I'm in silent. It means to practice clearly and confidently. Most important, what you should say, otherwise you should be stopped. And whatever you something like that, whatever you should say, if you really make your life valuable with other person, you have to follow these rules, but around the 90% people are over are talkative person. They want to share their ideas, but it's very low amount of people are who are silent and who are listener. But you should be listener. If you really want to listen, you have to be in silence. So I'm trying in silence. So this beginning of this video I showed you I'm in silence, so you have to be silent. So for this reason, what should you do? You have to do how to keep silent. So you have to listen. To develop your fluency, to develop everything, the most important things of your is speaking, developing, and other things you have to listen more and more. Think about your child, your cousins, your nephew, your whatever kid, who first of all they listen and then they try to speak. So you have to listen. So if you really want to develop your listening, you have to listen. You have to listen BBC News, you have to listen podcast, you have to listen English related video what you like. So at that time, when you will be powerful and expert at it, you must develop your speaking. So when you have understand everything, you can develop your fluency. So what can do something in your life? It doesn't matter. Matter is you should continuously do it. You listen 5 hours in a day, but next 5 days you don't practice. You will not get your progress. But end of the day, how to develop, how to learn, how to speak, how to something like that. You will be disappointed and disappointed all the time because your result is zero because you don't practice regularly through routine. So you have to practice 1 hours, 2 hours, whatever you practice, you have to practice regularly. You should not practice 24 hours. You just practice 1 hour. You practice 24 hours in a day, but next 1 week you don't practice. This practice has no value. You have to practice regularly, then you will get the most important and valuable things in your life. Practice is important. Practice, 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 and develop your listening because I am in silent.